Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Engineering Classes. So today we will discuss about the myth that earth is a good equipment grounding conductor. Most of the engineers thinks that equipment grounding to earth is a good solution. However, it is not a good solution. So how earth is not a good equipment grounding conductor? So we will discuss it here. So as we know that R is equal to rho L by A. So here R is the resistance of the element, rho is the resistivity of the element, L is the length of the element, and A is the cross sectional area of the element. We also know that resistivity of copper is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Resistivity of Gi is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter, and resistivity of earth is 100 ohm meter. So we will discuss with one example that why earth is not a good equipment grounding conductor. So let us consider a copper conductor of cross sectional area 25 into 4 mm. So for this area we know the formula R is equal to rho L by A. So for copper it will be R copper is equal to resistivity of copper into L of A copper. So for this cross sectional area the resistance of the copper conductor will be RCU is equal to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8. Length we have considered unit length divided by area 25 into 4. This is in mm. So to convert in meter, square meter, you have to multiply by 10 to the power minus 6. So this will be like 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by, this is 25 into 400, this will be 10 to the power minus 4, and R copper is equal to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 4. So R copper resistance is equal to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4, or you can say is equal to 0.00017 ohm. So for this resistance, if you consider this resistance as a reference, then for Gi conductor, for the same formula Rgi is equal to rho Gi into L divided by AGI. So for the same resistance the required cross sectional area for Gi is equal to, we can put it here, rho Gi 10 to the power minus 7 into unit length we have considered into area Gi is equal to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. For the same resistance, the cross sectional area of AGI will be 1.10 to the power minus 7 divided by 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this will be, if we multiply 1 divided by 1.7, so this will be 0.588 into 10 to the power minus 3. This will be the area of a square meter. So if we convert the area in square mm, so this will be 588 square mm. So 588 square mm, it means the standard size of the copper GI strip is basically 65 into 10 square mm. Okay, so for this resistance 0.00174, for the same reference resistance for GI strip we need a 65 into 10 square mm size GI strip, and for the same copper resistance, that is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4, what is the area required for the earth? So again, so for the same resistance, let us see that how much area earth offered for the reference resistance. So we know that R is equal to rho L by A. So R earth is equal to rho earth into L divided by A earth. So A earth is equal to 100 into unit area divided by 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. That will become around 0.588 into 10 to the power 6 square meter, or we can say 588 into 10 to the power 3 square meter, which is approximately equal to 800 meter into 800 meter. So we have seen here that for the same reference resistance of copper, the area offered by the GI conductor is 65 into 10. However, area offered by earth is 800 meter by 800 meter, which is very large. So we can say that is why we can say that earth is not a good conductor for equipment grounding. We can also prove it in other way, like we know that for the same formula R is equal to rho by L for constant cubic area, so R will be proportional to rho, or we can say R earth divided by R copper is equal to rho earth divided by rho copper. So R earth will be equal to rho earth, that means 100 ohm meter, divided by 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8. So R earth will be equal to 100 into divided by 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 into R copper. This will become around 0.588 into 10 to the power 10 into R copper, or R earth will be equal to 5.88, or you can say 5.88 into 10 to the power 9 into R copper, or you can say 6.0 into 10 to the power 9 times R copper. So from here you can say that R earth is equal to 6.0 into 10 to the power 9 or copper. From this equation it is clear that Earth is offering 6 billion times of resistance of the copper, which is a huge resistance in comparison to copper. That is why Earth is not used as a electrode for equipment grounding, or you can say Earth is not used as a conductor for equipment grounding. That is why we prefer to go with the like metallic screen of cable, armor of cable, metal sheet or strip, or separate cable as a conductor for return earth fault. So from this explanation, now it is clear that the myth that earth is a good conductor is false, and earth is a very bad conductor of electricity. So if you like this video, so please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and if you have any doubt you can also comment on my comment section, and if you also want to learn some new topics, you can also comment on my comment section so that I can provide a detailed video on the same topic as well. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.